Hey everybody, welcome back to this Google Sites Mastery course. Today's video is all about creating your very first page in Google Sites and adding compelling content to it. By the end of this video, you'll be confident in building your website. To create a new page, simply click the page link in the top right corner, select the plus icon in the bottom right corner. A new untitled page prompt box will appear. Name your page and select Done. Now it's time to add some content to your new page. Google Sites offers a variety of content blocks to choose from. You'll find them on the right-hand side of your screen. Select the insert link in the top right. Now let's explore some of the most commonly used blocks. Text box. This is where you can add titles, paragraphs, and other text content to your website. You can insert various content block formats and add various types of interactive elements that are found on most websites. Insert a text box with some text. Scroll down and add social links. Paste your links, then select Insert. Select Publish to save your changes. Once again, go ahead and select Publish again. Finally, select the down arrow, then select View Published Site to confirm those changes. We can see Instagram is loading, and we can see that this embedded link is loading properly. Add a content block format. Click to enter some text for the title. Now again for the description. Select the plus icon and upload a picture from your computer or Google Drive. Notice the variety of image edit options when your image is selected. Embed a link on your page by selecting the embed icon in the right-hand corner. Enter the link into the text field, then select Insert. Also, you can embed media code from a website. Select the content block, select Embed in the right-hand corner, paste the HTML code from the site page that you want to display on your page. Select Next to see a preview, then select the Insert button. Select the Publish button to save those changes. Your changes will appear showing the draft and currently published page preview. Select Publish. Select the down arrow next to the Publish button, then select View Published Site to view your changes. Let's add a new content block format. While hovering over the content block, a menu appears to drag and relocate the block. This menu allows you to delete the block, change its color, or move the block to a new location. Let's publish our changes. Select the Publish button in the upper right corner. Select the Publish button. Alright, let's check these changes by selecting the down arrow. Next to the Publish button, select View Published Site. A new tab opens, and then we should see a content block here with 2 blank areas. To recap, creating a new page in Google Sites is as simple as clicking the plus button. You can then use the various content blocks to add text, images, videos, and other elements to bring your website to life. Remember, when adding content, keep it clear, concise, and visually appealing for your visitors. Try creating your first page in Google Sites and experiment with different content blocks. See what kind of website you can build. So thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Google Sites Mastery tips. In the next video, we will explore how to navigate your website using menus and subpages. So until then, happy building.